Hey guys, welcome back to the Renaissance Noise in the Background. Today is part 3, so we're going to search it on YouTube on here. Honestly, I have Shaw Blue Curve now, so we can search on YouTube here. YouTube for the YouTube for the Renaissance. Sorry, my bird is just chirping. Perfect. Yeah, turn it up a little.
The phenomenon of Renaissance is one of the standard stops on any tour through the history of Western culture. It encompasses a roughly 300-year period in Europe where architects of ancient Greek and Roman cities.
That is what is left here in this bag here. That's what's left.
To the
No!
the rationale may seem utterly obvious, or to the more impatient or technologically focused, the exercise can equally well be a complete waste of time. We believe that the main reason to study history is to rescue certain good, provocative, and inspiring ideas that have been lost in the past, in order to put them to use in relation to the dilemmas and problems of our own times. Our tour of the Renaissance, while seemingly about some old, long-dead guys, will hence really be about us. Florence,
I'm gonna
Italy,
move it here.
1469. A 20-year-old nobleman from one of the grandest families of Florence, Lorenzo de' Medici, takes over the family business, the Medici Bank, that's been going since 1397 and is the most respected financial institution in Europe, with flourishing branches in Florence, Venice, Rome, and Geneva. Lorenzo, like his uncles and his father before him, has a great gift for business. During his lifetime, the bank will open new outposts in Basel, Bruges, Avignon, and Pisa, and lend significant sums of money to royal courts, aristocrats, and entrepreneurs. Lorenzo and his family are typical of the Florentine upper classes of his age.
Nothing Can Stop Me Now by Mark Holman
without
on
any
Amazon
traditional
Music.
suspicion of trade found in most Christian societies. Not only are the Medicis interested in making money, they are also extremely ambitious about how to spend money.
Today's video is sponsored by Cineroll. Take more! idea. Let's leave the fridge open.
January 1417. An Italian scholar and
Alexa,
Giorgio
play
Braccini
Wake Me Up
is on a
Before
tour
You
of
Go
Germany
Go.
and Switzerland, looking for lost Greek
Here's
and
Wake
Roman
Me Up Before You Go
manuscripts.
Go by Wham on Amazon Music.
Hunting around the dusty shelves of the
Jitterbug.
library, when, in a forgotten nook, he makes the
Jitterbug.
discovery of the whole Renaissance.
Jitterbug.
Still remains the only surviving manuscript of Lucretius Ferrero Natura on the nature of the world, which gives us the most complete
I've got you.
fountains in the middle, but that the surrounding buildings should mostly be fairly plain. They knew that buildings should be around 5 stories in height and that there should be graceful covered arcades so that citizens could amble in all kinds of weather. Renaissance leaders like the Medici were marked by the views of the ancient Roman historian Sallust, who'd been deeply hostile to a situation that had developed in the decadent periods of Rome, where there had been, in his words, publicae egestas privatim opulentia.
No, it's gonna get more worse actually.
Sallust believed, and the Renaissance leaders hugely embraced his idea, that in a healthy society, the public sphere itself...
Alexa, play Japanese radio station.
That way, the richer
The station J-Pop on Amazon Music.
And concentrate exclusively on their own states and countries. More citizens will be uplifted and easy to be community. rival and equal their achievements in the architectural idiom of our own time. It's 1488. A 58-year-old Venetian painter, Giovanni Bellini, created a become this powerful and convincing in the last 100 or so years.
I pronounce that too, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
Imagine her melancholy thoughts and enjoyed her kind, sympathetic and dignified nature. If there was some childcare available, it might be lovely to invite her out to the Gelateria Grom, just a few steps away from the Fara Church. It's often been remarked how odd and wondrous it is that so many geniuses of art came to the fore in such a short period in one place. Renaissance Italy gave world civilization Donatello, Fra Angelico, Pacello, Masaccio, Filippo Lippi, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, Titian, and so on. How did it happen? How do you get so much talent in one go? It's arguable that every age has roughly similar amounts of latent talent among its artists. What makes certain ages extraordinary, one thinks of the Golden Age of Athens, Holland, 19th century France, or 1960s America, is that
I pronounce that too, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
sense of what art is for, and they therefore reward and invest in artists properly.
I pronounce that too, but I'm always working on how...
preponderance of artistic skill, it's an intensely clear vision of what art should be for. The Renaissance could be
I
described
pronounce
as
that
a
too, but I'm always...
advertising. Yet the focus was not on selling consumer goods. It was on selling beauty, truth, and wisdom. The energy we still feel behind their art arose from a coherent ideological program. The Renaissance wanted to put painting in the service of ideas and to make these ideas palpable, effective, and life-changing. One thing the Renaissance was constantly advertising is philosophy.
Sorry, I don't know
In the
that.
minds of many, then as now, rather abstract and remote figures. So the Renaissance got one of its most talented artists, Raphael, to lend them a bit of life on the walls of the Vatican, to show
I don't know that.
Plato and others as belonging to a group of glamorous, fascinating individuals. For his part, Titian was employed to convey a central philosophical message about the brevity of life. In his Three Ages of Man, existence is depicted as desperately fleeting. The child is soon an adult and the adult soon ages.
Okay,
In retrospect,
here's
it all
what you
seems to
have.
occurred
How do I
incredibly
pop your
fast,
ears?
which makes it essential to use our time properly, that we forgive one another for our frailties and focus on our potential while there is still time. But
I
Titian
pronounce that too,
knew
but
that
I'm always
didn't
working.
care to think about how brief life is. That's where art comes in and has the huge advantage over philosophy. Titian starts with
I
things
pronounce that
everyone in
too,
the
but
Renaissance
I'm
already
always
loved.
working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
The picture is designed to take you, without even noticing it happening, into the intricate philosophy, so that you
I
naturally
pronounce
start
that too,
thinking
but I'm always working on how I say things and I
Maggie,
might
no!
not have it right.
No, Maggie, no! Maggie, no!
You're subliminally interested in buying a chocolate bar or an SUV, while charming you with a beautiful
Alexa,
couple or a suburban
How to
landscape.
say the Renaissance in
Only in the
Welsh?
Renaissance, the philosophical end
The
goal of
Renaissance,
art was
in
work
Welsh is
and effort.
entertainment.
Art as advertising for the great truths was underpinned by an ideology worked out by the philosopher Marsilio Ficino, the figure who taught Lorenzo de' Medici and spoke to Michelangelo at dinner every day
How to
for
say
many
the
years.
Renaissance in Polish?
Ficino argued that we are all creatures
The Renaissance,
of love.
in
Love
Polish
is
is
attracted first to beauty. So, whatever we wish people to love, we must first make beautiful. And beauty is first encountered
Alexa,
as
how to
sexiness.
say today's video
The
is
path to
about
the highest possible
Renaissance
human
in
ideals
I
Welsh.
pronounce that today's videos, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
And then to love. With
Moscow.
such a theory to hand, and its impact on the art of the Renaissance cannot be overestimated, Ficino was able to use what we might term sexiness, lust, glamour, and celebrity to serve the most noble and high-minded
Alexa,
intellectual
how to
ambitions,
say the Edo
rather than
period
being
in
relegated,
Welsh?
as they often are in our own times, to selling handbags or mobile phones. Never before or since have so many ideas been so
Alexa,
beautifully
how to
and
say the
conceptually
Edo
crafted
period in
by
Welsh?
great artists. Ficino and Lorenzo
The
de' Medici
Edo
were
period
fascinated by
in
the
Welsh
idea
is
of getting Botticelli to
cardinale
invest
Giulio.
sexuality in order to excite us about ideas that they thought were most useful to humanity. That's why there are an awful lot of very cute people in Botticelli's work. The hugely alluring figures in his Primavera.
Alexa,
are, for example,
how
full
to
of
say the
kindness,
Renaissance in
serious,
Welsh?
and sometimes rather sad.
The
They're filled with
Renaissance
tenderness,
in Welsh is
sorrows and failures.
entertainment.
They encourage us again to appreciate the cycle of life. But also highly seductive. You don't have to believe in the virtues to want to be like them, but because you instinctively want to be like them, you will therefore aspire to be virtuous.
Alexa,
This genius
how to
movement,
say the
shared by
Edo
philosophers,
period in
Chino,
Polish?
rich political
I pronounce
leaders,
that
Lorenzo,
too,
and
but I'm
artists,
always working on how I
was
say
to
things that I
line up
might not
basic
have it
design
right.
on the side of the group,
Alexa,
so that we become
how to
kinder,
say the Edo
sweeter,
period
more
in Welsh?
ambitious, not because we've
The
rejected
Edo
all the
period
charms of the world,
in Welsh is
hardly anyone ever
A
can.
covenant.
To learn the charms of the world. Instead of abandoning beauty and sexiness to vanity and silliness, the leaders of the Renaissance, deeply scholarly and earnest people, seized these and used them to their own ends. It's this move above
Did
all
I just-
that helps
okay.
to give the art of the Renaissance
Let me
its
charge
usual
you guys
golden
so you-
coherence, and means the art is still so charming to us
Die
today.
out.
In our society, the Renaissance has a lot of prestige. We think we're being true to it by going around its main cities, memorizing dates and ticking off key works. But this isn't really what paying tribute to the Renaissance should mean. It's not about looking at their world through
Okay,
our eyes. It's about using their eyes to look at our world.
Alexa, how to say the Edo period in
With
Japanese?
the help of these geniuses,
Edo
learning lessons
period
from them
in
about
Japanese
how to
is
spend big money,
Edo
how to
no
finance
Japanese.
wisely.
Alexa, how to say the Edo period in Russian?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, how to say the Edo period